Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, you're stuck in the same place? Have you wondered why some people seem to manifest success, wealth, and happiness with ease, while others struggle? What if the difference isn't luck, but a shift in your mindset? The truth is, changing your life doesn't always require huge, drastic actions. Sometimes, it's as simple as reprogramming the way you think. And you can do that in just 7 days with abundance mindset affirmations. In this video, I'm going to show you how repeating these simple phrases can help you rewire your brain, build an abundant mindset, and attract the success you've always wanted. Let's break this down step by step. The key to transforming your life in just 7 days is to focus on 3 essential areas of your mind: mindset shift, daily habits, and emotional control. First, mindset shift. First, we need to understand that everything starts with our thoughts. Your mindset is the lens through which you view the world. If you're constantly focused on scarcity, fear, or limitation, you'll attract more of that into your life. Abundance mindset affirmations work by replacing those negative limiting beliefs with ones that empower you to see possibilities, opportunities, and growth everywhere. Second, daily habits. Just like brushing your teeth, your thoughts need daily care. You won't see transformation overnight, but with consistent, positive affirmations, you'll start to notice changes in your perspective and energy. By repeating affirmations like "I attract wealth and success easily," or "I am deserving of happiness and abundance," you begin to create new neural pathways in your brain that align with abundance. The more you repeat these, the easier it becomes to believe in them and act in alignment with them. Third, emotional control. One of the hardest parts of achieving abundance is controlling your emotions, especially when things aren't going your way. But here's the secret: your emotions don't control you unless you let them. Abundance mindset affirmations can help you gain emotional control. By telling yourself "I am calm, centered, and in control," you begin to reshape how you react. 2 challenges. You stop being ruled by fear and doubt, and instead, you respond with resilience and confidence. Let's talk about someone who went through this journey. Take a look at David Goggins. He wasn't born a champion, and for a long time, he struggled with his mindset. But once he began reshaping the way he thought, he transformed his entire life. He focused on pushing his limits, even when his body and mind told him to stop. His success didn't happen overnight, but it came because he trained his mindset with positive affirmations, the same kind you can use. David believed that he could break through any barrier, and by repeating powerful affirmations like "I am unstoppable," he started breaking records, achieving what others thought was impossible. Your journey can be the same. You have the power to change your life with just a shift in thinking. I know what it feels like to be stuck. Maybe you've tried affirmations before and didn't see results. Maybe you've struggled with negative thoughts or doubts, and you feel like you're spinning your wheels. Let me tell you, it's okay. Every single person who has reached success has struggled at some point. The difference is in how they approach those struggles. It's about believing that you are capable of more, no matter where you are right now. Abundance mindset affirmations will not only help you believe in your potential, but they'll also help you take the first steps toward changing your reality. Remember, the first day you say your affirmation might feel strange, but by day 7, you will feel a shift. Trust the process and allow it to work for you. So, are you ready to start your journey toward abundance? It only takes 7 days to shift your mindset and begin manifesting the life you deserve. The first step is simple. Start by choosing 3 powerful affirmations that resonate with you. Write them down, say them out loud every morning and night, and watch as your mindset begins to change. The world will begin to respond to your new energy, and you'll see opportunities open up in ways you never imagined. But here's the catch: you have to commit. If you want change, it's up to you to take the first step today. Don't wait for motivation, just take action now. Start your affirmations, and let's see what happens in 7 days. You're in control. Every step, every affirmation, every change is a building block toward the life you want. You control your thoughts, you control your reality. By the end of 7 days, you'll realize how powerful these small changes are. The life you want isn't as far away as you think. The beauty of abundance mindset affirmations is that anyone can use them. Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or someone looking to improve their personal life. These affirmations are practical and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can say them while you get ready in the morning, while you're commuting, or during your lunch break. Every time you repeat an affirmation, you're making a deposit in your mental bank. The more you say it, the more you start to believe it. And when you believe it, you begin to see the world differently and your world changes. The power of affirmations lies in their ability to tap into your subconscious mind. By focusing on growth mindset, resilience, and emotional intelligence, you're not just repeating words, you're rewiring your brain to see abundance instead of scarcity. This isn't about wishful thinking. It's about creating a new mental reality that allows you to grow and flourish. As you repeat your affirmations, you begin to believe in your worth and power, and your actions align with your new beliefs. You're no longer just wishing for success, you're taking action to make it happen.